All right, so here I am, just back from my morning walk. You know, it's nice and pretty outside, kind of. I got a mess out there. And I'm heating up some coffee from yesterday, right? I go ahead and I take the coffee, I pour it from my thermos, I go ahead and put it in the microwave, I go ahead and hit the buttons, and then I hear a pop. My microwave's dead. Just like, of course it is. Of course it is, because I had a great day yesterday. Look, I got all of this emptied. I got it on this new shelving unit thing here. So now I can rip this shit out and still have a functioning kitchen. And so it couldn't just all be perfect, right? Like, yeah. Oh, but I'm so excited because now I can go and rip this one out. And look, I've got another one of these giant monster shelving units. They only cost like $115 on Amazon. I was so excited to see that. That was fucking badass. So now, the second one, I can empty all of that shit, and then I'll be able to destroy all this motherfucking garbage, get rid of all of it, and then put in like the kitchen that I want, which is more minimal as far as like the bulkiness. Like, look at this fucking cabinet. Who puts a wall? Like, how do you even use this space? You can't even fucking use it. And on, like, actually, this was not even open before. It was like blocked in. There were doors here, and you had to like finagle, get your fucking arm way the fuck back. Like, who does that shit? What the fuck? Same thing with this. Like, look back here. Like, this whole, like, this used to have a wall right here that went from here down. And so there's this little tiny door, and all that space to get back there was a bitch. And then look at down here. Like, look at all that wasted. Like, how the fuck do you get back there? You don't. So I'm getting rid of all this. I'm making it a lot more functional, like using smarter techniques for using space, like the things that you do when you have a tiny house. You know, you maximize the efficiency of the space that you've got. Oh, so anyway, this is just reminding me that, okay, so now I'm going to put it, yeah, I know my fucking timer. God damn it. I know, like, well, this is great. This is like serendipitous. I don't know. Serendipity is not the right. It's foretold. Like, it's all culminating. Like, this waited to fail until that was done. So I'm so grateful for this poor little microwave. I think it was installed like in '97 because this house was built in '97. So this poor little guy, it's been running and running. It's like, please, for the love of God, replace me. I'm going to die. And then it saw that, and then it's like, okay, I think I can rest in peace.